After 7 teams in 3 years, Shane McElrath finally has some solid ground to stand on, saying, quote, on his Instagram, "Excited to officially announce that I'll be lining up with the AGP Motorsports team for 2024. A1 is right around the corner, and I couldn't be more excited to get on the gate. Vlog drops tomorrow." And as for him, it's got to be great. Going from different bike, different team, different bike, different team, never really getting settled anywhere or a full setup that you like, or comfortable with your mechanic and team, to being on the same team again, same bike, same people around you. It's got to feel great, especially to do. You're not worried about it. You're not sitting there going, oh, I don't know if I've got a ride, I don't know if I've got this, I've got that. And you can just go out and race and have one singular point in his focus: do good, win races, or as well as you can. But I hope it does well for him. Obviously, HEP is running 2 different teams this year: the Twisted Tea side and the Progressive side. Roxon on one, and Chisholm and McElrath, and I think somebody else on the Twisted Tea. I could be wrong. Comment down below if you know who I'm talking about, or if I am wrong, whatever. But either way, comment down below. Tell me, how well do you think he does? As a comfortability thing, is he going to do better this year, or whatever it is? Comment where you think he finishes, who wins the 450s, whatever you want. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.